Let's discuss today's cue card, and the topic is describe a holiday or a trip that you remember very well. Your time starts now.
One holiday that I remember very well was the best trip of my life. I went to the Murray Hill Station with my family. The Murray Hill Station is the most popular station of Pakistan. During these vacations, I enjoyed my trip very much with my family and with my siblings. We arranged a car for our journey. The journey was full of excitement as we went higher to the hills. The journey became more excited and the weather became cooler and the temperature fell low. During this journey, the mountains all around look beautiful. When we reached at the hill station of Murray, we stayed on Mall Road. During our stay, we went to the Mall Road, and there are many shops on the Mall Road, traditional items. We also buy some traditional items and eating foods and some stationeries from other shops. And we also can ride a chairlift and a car ride that gave an amazing view of the mountain hills. And I remember this trip was very well because this trip is unforgettable for me. I spent a quality time with my family and also capture all moments in my camera. And my sister is a great selfie maker. She make good vibes with me, and I also memorize all moments when I see the picture of this trip. Thus, so I remember well this trip and never forgettable for me. This time spent quality time with my family, so I remember well this trip.
Okay, you spoke well and you spoke for 2 minutes, but you made a few grammatical errors. Uh, you are talking about past because this is a memory. So you have to use second form of verb. You said we arrange a car, so you have to say we arranged a car, and then we became. So you have to use it, and the weather fell, the temperature fell. So first of all, you have to identify the tense of the topic, whether he is asking about present, past, or future. Then you have to speak on it. You are good at fluency, but you have to work on specifically on this grammatical range. If you practice more, you can get good bands.